Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna make some cucumber salads. Okay, mommy. So we're gonna do. You're gonna need that silver thing. You can get that at the Asian store. And you need garlic and dry pepper. What's that? Sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, next you're gonna need some green beans. Slice them up. Put it in a mortar. Oh, looks good already. Yummy. Looks hot too. And then next, tomato. Slice them up. Put them in there. Put a few. Put some finger in there. No, just kidding. Okay, now we're gonna put lemon. Looks pretty hot. Okay, now we're gonna put
Sauce.
papaya salad dressing.
You open it. I'll put it. And now, I'll put it in.
Okay, now you're gonna take some cucumber. Bless you. Bless you. Okay, now we'll use shrimp, squid, and what's that, mommy? Okay. Okay, so that came out of this bag, and that's pork meatloaf. Gonna add all those in. That's what it sure looks like. Tastes a little bit, man, it's hot. You seeing how many pepper it was earlier? Add some peanuts on top of it. Oh, I said peanuts, not chocolate. Mmm, it looks good and spicy. Alright guys, hope you learned how to make it. Alright guys, see how it tastes. Mmm, it's hot. It's good. Alright guys, hope you learn how to make it. Enjoy the cucumber lettuce salads. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.